A snowy storm sweeps through Bonbon's forest, covering the Pine Valley in white. In the quiet, snowy woods, Bonbon's tiny wooden cabin sits peacefully alone. Inside the cabin, Bonbon shivers and hugs himself. Brr, it's freezing cold. Bonbon tries to light the old fireplace, but the fire just won't start today. Looking outside the snowy window, Bonbon suddenly gets a clever idea. Bonbon puts on warm gloves and gets ready for a brave, snowy adventure. Step by step, Bonbon walks out into the deep snow, ready to explore. Across the wide, snowy field, Bonbon marches forward with courage. At the edge of the field, Bonbon spots a mysterious old barn. With excitement, Bonbon pushes the heavy barn door open to look inside.
Wow!
Inside the dusty barn, Bonbon discovers an old red tractor waiting quietly. Bonbon brushes away the snow and dust, cleaning the tractor seat carefully. Bonbon turns the key and hopes the old tractor engine will start. Vroom! The tractor suddenly roars to life, and Bonbon cheers happily. Slowly, Bonbon drives the tractor out of the barn into the snowy field. Through the snowy forest road, the little tractor moves bravely forward. Tall, icy pine trees pass by as Bonbon enjoys the magical winter ride. At a frozen river, Bonbon finds many strong stones for the fireplace. With great effort, Bonbon lifts a heavy stone from the snowy riverbank. Bonbon loads the stone onto the tractor trailer, feeling proud and excited. Bonbon gathers more strong stones by the frozen river, chirping happily. With the trailer full of stones, Bonbon drives deeper into the snowy forest. Soon, Bonbon finds a big fallen tree covered in soft winter snow. Bonbon works hard cutting pieces of wood for the warm fireplace. Piece by piece, Bonbon stacks the firewood neatly into the tractor trailer. With stones and wood ready, Bonbon begins the long trip home. Oh no! Fresh snow makes the forest road slippery and tricky.
Oh no!
Carefully steering the tractor, Bonbon keeps the ride safe and steady. Using a shovel, Bonbon clears the snow blocking the narrow road.
Wow!
Slowly but safely, Bonbon continues the journey back toward home. Bonbon stops the tractor after spotting a tiny rabbit stuck in the snowy road. With gentle hands, Bonbon lifts the shivering rabbit and brushes off the snow. Bonbon places the little rabbit safely under a bush, warm and protected. Adventure continues as Bonbon drives the tractor home through the snowy forest. Finally, Bonbon reaches the cozy wooden cabin waiting in the snowy yard. Bonbon unloads the heavy stones from the trailer, ready to start building. Carrying stones inside, Bonbon prepares to build a warm fireplace. Stone by stone, Bonbon carefully builds the strong base of the fireplace. Layer by layer, the stone fireplace grows bigger and stronger. At last, Bonbon places the chimney on top. The fireplace is almost ready. Bonbon carefully stacks the firewood inside the brand new stone fireplace. With a hopeful spark, Bonbon lights the first tiny flame in the fireplace. The little flame grows brighter as Bonbon watches with happy eyes. Soon, the cozy cabin fills with warm light from the glowing fire. Bonbon sits peacefully by the fire, enjoying the warmth after a long day. Outside, a tiny rabbit walks through the snow toward the warm, glowing house. Bonbon opens the door and kindly welcomes the little rabbit inside. By the fireplace, Bonbon and the rabbit sit together, warm and safe. Outside, the snowstorm rages, but the little wooden house glows warmly. Bonbon smiles at the bright fire, happy to share warmth with a new friend.
Bonbon's adventure isn't over yet. What challenges do you think Bonbon will face next? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, friends. Thanks for watching!